Good morning, guys. It is Friday. Hey, I want to start this off with a big congratulations and also showing you guys myself. Here's the certificate through Take Profit for the 25K account that I just passed. And I'll show you guys, this is the email that I just got this morning. And in addition to that, I just got a couple more emails through some members who just passed their 550K accounts. So this is literally just going through Take Profit, punching in promo code MyFutureSuccess, passing all 5 of these accounts. And they ended up doing it just in this last week. So, Michael, congratulations. And one more here, Corey. Amazing work. Both of you guys, I'm so proud of you. I can't say how much fun I'm having with individuals here, either doing one-on-one trainings or if you guys are doing the live sessions with Ron. It's so neat to be able to see people who have, maybe struggled for so many years with trading and have now been able to just flip it 180 degrees and be in a really good position. So something that all those traders that I just showed you, Michael and Corey, both of those guys, I actually go on a live Zoom call free every first and third Friday of the month. And today's actually that next call. And I'm excited to announce those guys on the call when I get on live later on and to just tell them, well done. You guys, I understand it's really difficult to go from pro or from eval to a pro and then pro to then payouts. Is it possible? Yes. Many people are doing it every single week. And, this is my way of actually giving back to the community of all you guys who end up passing these accounts through Take Profit to get on a call with me and ask any questions, the education, set weekly goals, monthly goals. I actually give away free Take Profit accounts as well to the winners that I say, in the next 2 weeks until we do our next call, let's see who makes the most amount of money. And I'll give away a 150K test account worth $360. That's what I'm here to do and help inspire. But you guys, let's go over the charts here real quick. And I want to show you the opportunities. I want to show you why I say probably multiple times in my videos, stay away from the first hour of market open because it's market manipulation and it's when big banks and institutions are actually closing out their London orders. And you can look at this and say, okay, pre-market. I know because I work with people in about 80 different countries right now. And I understand the New York session for some people can be great. It is where you're going to get the most volatility, liquidity, all that. But there are opportunities pre-market and post-market that you can take that are quality trades. Just this morning, a couple of signals that end up populating. This is a max potential profit of 18.25. I know you're not going to get max potential. I'll never get max potential profit. But, if you take something like this and you say, okay, could I've got maybe 10 points out of that? Yeah, sure. Another buy signal here. This ended up earning 23 points. Maybe go for half of that. You're another 10 points. What you have to realize is with these 550K accounts, just trading with 5 micros, every 10 points is $100. So if you have $100 and you have 5 accounts, how much is that? It's $500. Well, if this is a quality trade here for 500, this is a quality trade here for 500, that's $1,000. Well, let's say you catch this one over here. I mean, you don't need to catch the 70 points that this ended up running. You just need to catch 1/7 of that, right? And now you're at $1,500. So something that these traders are doing, and I ask this to them too. I say, you guys, you've just passed 550K accounts, multiple people. And I say, what are you doing? Not only what does Justin do, but what are you guys doing? And the number one thing, I have to say this, you guys, is they're saying, I go for consistent trades, but not just consistent. I'm not over trading. The number one thing when I get on my one-on-one calls that I hear is people take too many trades and they're on their computers for too long. If you make trading the most simple thing, most part-time hobby that you've ever had, it is going to result in the biggest profits you've ever had. The longer we're on doesn't mean the more money we're going to make. It's sad to say this, but the schooling system and everything that we're brought up with says go out, get a 9-to-5 job, and in business, you guys know me. I own a microbrewery and also a restaurant with my family. The more time you put into your businesses like that, brick and mortar, yes, you can actually make more money. It is the complete opposite with trading. It is not more time equals more money. It's actually less time equals more money because you're more focused and you're just looking for quality trades. So I want this video to be very, very encouraging. Not only showing my own accounts passing those and now going to pro, but now showing literally 10 other accounts of 2 individuals passing 550K accounts just in this last week. And all they're doing is finding simple ways to be able to capitalize on these movements, staying away from zones in the market where we know it's just market manipulation, and just going for that one quality trade a day. If you fall in love with 10 points, you'll be in the top 97 to 99% of traders. It sounds weird, you guys, to just go for 10 points, but it works. It works so well. Guys, if you're new to this channel, my name's Justin. I'm actually the founder of Simple Market Metrics and My Future Success. I want you guys to take this weekend, or whenever you're seeing this video, I want you to join on with this. You will see so much improvement in what you're currently doing right now. This is the elite traders that I do a call with every first and third Friday. Every week, people are getting added to this. When you're over here, I want you guys to look at some of these reviews. Honestly, these are all the 5-star reviews that have come through, and it's just been a really good time. Let's take a look at this. I'm happy I stumbled upon Simple Market Metrics, watching thousands of YouTubers over the years, trading strategies, trading webinars, teachers, trading gurus. I watched Justin's YouTube on Simple Market Metrics and was amazed at how simple it can be. I came in nearly the beginning. I joined the monthly membership with Ron that Justin added. Something that I want you guys to be able to do as well is not only look at what I'm doing here, but be able to follow along with this in live time. So Ron is actually an affiliate that I took on a couple months ago, and we're having a great time. Ron actually goes live using these metrics every Tuesday and Thursday of the month. This month, throughout the end of May, is actually Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, all live. He actually will do Wednesday and Sunday classes as additional benefits for everyone here as well. This is still going on right now. But what it does is it gives you guys a live look in the market to say, okay, let's analyze this buy signal. Let's analyze this sell signal. Let's analyze the overall market trends and then capitalize on making profits. I will state here, you guys, this is not a buy-sell system. This is meaning like this platform. I don't want it to be that. I and Ron are not legal financial advisors. But, if you end up getting opportunities and you feel comfortable, there are a lot of traders making money. Just on the live call yesterday, end up hearing that Ron, a couple times during the call, like a third of the way through, then like 3/4 of the way through, he's like, how many people have made money so far on this call? Maybe not just taking the signals I've taken, but yourself. And they're like, I did, couple $100, $300, $400. One person's like $8,000. I'm like, what are you freaking kidding me? $8,000? What are you doing here? You should be teaching. So congratulations to that person over there as well. But this has just been really, really awesome. I've learned so much from Ron's training classes in just a few weeks. I've never had a training plan and process like SMM. There's so much value here. Yeah, James, thank you so much. This is exactly what we're trying to be here to do. And what I'm trying to do as well is, not only do I do my live trades here for you guys, and I record them for, training purposes and education, but it's something that I want 2025 to be is the greatest year of people switching. If you're currently looking at like options or Forex or anything, I'm here to tell you guys, futures trading has been the simplest thing that I've converted over to, and I've had the most fun and most success with. And I always say, grab the tools, grab the education, and then just run with it. There's a reason why also with Take Profit, when you guys go over here again, I'll just say this. If you go to Take Profit and you purchase your 550K accounts, just make sure to put in My Future Success in all caps. This is going to do a couple things for you. This is, when you click apply, it's going to give you the rock bottom price. You'll never pay the activation fee right now, which is normally $130. What this will do too is when you send me a screenshot, just like these two members did, I will add you onto these calls completely free. Because I do have one-on-one training that you can do. There is a fee for that, but this is completely free. This is my way of giving back. Yes, I do get a very small kickback for people using this promo code in here, but that's why I want to do these calls for free. I want to give you guys the education that I wish I had, but also say, what? Well done. Let's stay with a really good positive team from here on. So I hope you guys had a really good week. It's been a great week for me. I'm excited to see where next week goes as well, but it's Friday. People are passing accounts. I officially passed the 25K account. Price action, looking at that this morning. Great opportunity waiting outside of this profit or out of this zone here. A good 70 point down, 18 and 20 over here. Congratulations on anyone who took those trades. But let's have an amazing week next week. Take care, you guys. Have a good one.